In previous class, we learnt alphabet C. Today we will learn alphabet D. D sounds D. D for dog, D for drum, D for duck, D for doll, D for deer, D for dress, D for dolphin, and D for donkey. So let's see how to write letter D. Alphabet D. D sounds D. So let's see how to write letter D. One standing line and one close curve. It becomes D. See here, I'll put dots. Standing line and one close curve. D. Standing line and one close curve. And D sounds D. What D sounds like? D sounds D. Standing line and one close curve. So we'll have rainbow writing. Rainbow writing. As I told, D sounds D. Standing line and one close curve. It should come from red line to blue line. See here, from red line to blue line. D. D for doll. D for duck. D for duck. D for drum. Standing line and one close curve. D sounds D. As now child has traced on these dots and has done the rainbow writing also. Next we can put in, give two dots like this from red line to blue line, and ask the child to draw one standing line and one close curve. D sounds D. What D sounds? D sounds D. See here, one standing line, that is from red line to blue line, and one close curve. D. Should say and write D. D sounds D. Thank you. So we learnt letter D, and D sounds